Hey friends, if you wish to use Google services in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. See, you can use any Google service on Microsoft Edge, it's just a normal browser. If you want to use Gmail, go to gmail.com. If you want to go to use Google Drive, go to drive.google.com. Okay. So it's easy, but if you want to set Google as your search engine, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. So go to this option for search engine. So search engine and hit enter. Okay, and then you can scroll down and change the search engine to Google. Now whenever you search anything, it will search for it in the Google search engine. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.